Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Wolf into the Dead 2. This guide will walk you through the steps to acquire this formidable companion. Alpha Wolf is a game changer, offering incredible support and making your runs much easier. We'll cover the main method to unlock it, ensuring you understand each part of the process. Get ready to enhance your gameplay with this amazing ally. The primary way to get Alpha Wolf is by participating in special in-game events. These are often limited-time opportunities, so keep an eye on the event schedule. You'll typically need to complete various challenges or collect specific event currency to progress. Reaching certain milestones within these events will reward you with Alpha Wolf parts or the companion itself. Don't miss out on these chances. To fully unlock Alpha Wolf, you'll need to gather 100 Alpha Wolf parts. During events, these parts are usually distributed across different reward tiers. The more you play and achieve, the more parts you'll earn. Sometimes, daily challenges or special in-game bundles might also offer a few parts, but events are your most reliable source. Stay persistent and keep grinding those events. To maximize your chances of getting Alpha Wolf, consistent play during its events is key. Prioritize the event-specific objectives, as these will yield the most Alpha Wolf parts. Make sure your loadout is optimized with your best weapons and companions to achieve higher scores and complete challenges more efficiently. With dedication and smart play, Alpha Wolf will soon be by your side, ready to tear through the horde.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.